Hi, I'm Mason. Today I'm going to do a surface tension experiment. I'm going to show what happens when surface tension gets broken. First, I'm going to pour water on this plate. Next, I'm going to pour on some pepper. The pepper sits on the water because of surface tension. I can stick my finger in it and nothing happens. But if I put some dish soap on my finger, it will break the surface tension. The soap molecules break up the water molecules. That breaks the surface tension and sends the pepper to the edge. And that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching!